Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a fun project to do. We're installing some Brembo BBKs on this beast. Darren is going to be taking his car to a track day in February. So I'm going to be getting it ready for a track day. So today we're going to take you through the steps, I guess, on installing the big brake kit. So he also got some mold tool 600. So those are gonna go in with the brakes. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna look cool. It's gonna look sick after we get it installed. So I'll keep you guys updated as we go along. Do a closer look at these. So when Darren bought these, he bought these from another 8.6 guy, and I believe these are the Brembo GTs. Not sure. It also comes with stainless steel brake lines, so pretty good. Look how beefy those things are, dude. They look so crazy. They look so good. So yeah, it comes with some pads. I'm assuming these are just some OEM, not OEM, like Brembo, regular Brembo pads, but should be good enough for him for his first driver's day. Those rotors, they're in pretty decent condition. They don't have any crazy marring or anything. They're just dirty. But these are gonna look sick on the car, and I'll keep you guys updated as I continue installing them. So these are Darren's original brakes. These are the original OEM brakes. Pretty small, but we're gonna install the BBKs on these, and it'll look good. Original OEM small brakes. So I'm gonna replace these with the Brembos. Put the bracket on. You just have to put the bolts in. The big bracket for the fronts. I took off the caliper because I want to be able to torque these down to spec. And then these, I have to torque these down to spec too. But we're getting there. It's good though. So this is the original brake disc. And these are the new brake disc. Gentle. Look at that difference. Holy crap. They're gonna look so good. Can't wait until I torque these down and put them on. This is how it looks. It's not fully mounted up yet with the brake line because I'm waiting for Darren still for the wrenches because he gets off work soon. But this is how it looks with the big brake kit on. I still need to tighten the bracket bolts that are in the back here. Right there, those bracket bolts. I torqued these down. There's no specs online, so I'm going with my best judgment. But this is how it looks though. Oh man, look at that. That looks so good. So much better than the other side. Oh, puny. Puny. And big boy. Or like TJ Hunt and Calvin says, garbage over there. Not garbage. So, looks pretty good. Gotta do this brake line still. But it's got stainless steel brake line. Gotta hook it up. And I just need a flare nut wrench. And I should be able to get that off. And these should be good. So I'll show you guys if I get to do the rears today. Mainly want to get the fronts done. Rears if I can get it today. If not, hopefully next weekend. But I'll try to get them all done today, and I'll show you guys how they look after I put them back together and the wheels on. As a quick mock-up, How's that look?
Oh shit.
Dude. Oh my god.
I could only fit 18s now.
You can try your 17s. It wouldn't clear.
It won't.
You have a lot of room though. You have a lot of clearance. But oh my god. Happy?
Oh fuck yeah.
So that looks really good though.
Oh, it looks so good.
This is just a temporary mock-up. I haven't put the calipers on yet. Like actually they're brake lines. But looks good though.
Ooh. I should try to record them later.
What are you gonna do? What color?
I would try all of this.
Oh. You can do blue?
Yeah. Well, not blue, like a teal.
Oh.
Like that Project New, like mint color or teal color.
Yeah. Oh, that would look really nice on these.
Later down the road.
Yeah. Now I just gotta do the rears, and then bolt up the calipers to the brake lines, and it'll look good. We're on to the rear now, and to have clearance for the big brake kit, you have to cut this deal. Either take off the dust shield or take it off or cut it. So right now I'm cutting it, and once we get that off, then we should be able to put on the new rear ones. But so far the rear is being a pain in the ass, but you know, it's okay, it's part of it. I'll update you guys once I get the dust shield cut off and then putting on the rotor. So this is the result of how it looks. Got the rotors on, got the calipers on, and got the brake lights on, brake lines on. So overall, looks pretty good. Right, Darren?
Oh hell yeah! Can't wait to see them with the wheels on.
That sounds so cheesy.
What?
That sounds so cheesy.
What? The way I said it?
Yes, but all I have to do for this one, I have to cut the brake shield off, then attach the caliper right there with these bolts back here. Come on, focus. The 2 bolts back there. But overall, looks pretty good. Finally, got the rears on after cutting the rear brake disc dust shield thing. Got that on. Looks really good. Got the fronts on. And right now we got to bleed the system. And Darren is going with some Multool RBF 600.4 fluid. So now we just gotta bleed the system. And then once we finish that, then I'll show you guys how it looks on the ground with the wheels on. It's done. It's finally done. I am so tired.
It was 8 hours, right? 8 hours?
I started this at like 1-ish, and it's like 10.
Yeah.
It legit is like 10. But God, look at how it looks. It looks so good. Here are the rears. Oh, as an update, because the last time they saw this car, it was just the Varus kit. It didn't have the Natasha on there.
Yeah.
So would you like to explain the Natasha a little bit?
I'll do that in my own video.
Okay. But yeah. Your own video? It's all good. But yeah, so these are just the Brembo like OEM?
No, they're not the performance package ones. These are they are Brembo. They're not the GTs, but I was told like they're all it is it's not the performance package that you see on the BRZs. Those are smaller. These are a little bit bigger. Plus the rotors are 355 millimeter slotted, so obviously only fit 18s at that point. I think the performance package, because it's smaller, you can fit 17s still.
Yeah. But overall, it looks pretty good though. I'm so happy with how the Big Brake kit came out. Oh man.
To be honest, I don't think I don't have to like powder coat it.
I think it looks good with the red.
The red goes good with the Good Smile Racing logo.
Exactly. So this is the finished product. It's like I said in the previous clip, we're running multiple on it, and then he has the Brembo brakes all around. So this boy is getting ready for a track day, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Track day.
Track day at Laguna.
Yeah.
So.
But there's still more to do. There's still more to do. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah. But yeah, finally finished. Just wanted to show how it looks with the wheel on and the Big Brake kit. So.
Oh yeah, they also don't know it is supercharged.
I have like a small clip of it, but I can leave that out. But it is a supercharge. So Darren, it's a long day. I am tired.
It's time.
But are you happy? Does it feel a lot different?
Oh hell yeah! It's so much. The stopping power is much better than OEM. That's for sure.
There you go.
That's for sure.
But yeah, thank you for watching my video. It's kind of like it's not like an in-depth video of how to install the Big Brake kit on the FRS, but it was just kind of like showing here and there of what I've done. So I'm tired. It's a long day, but thank you for watching my video, and hope you guys enjoyed it. It's like kind of a short video. I said that last time it was a short video. It was a 10-minute video. This might be a long video. So, but thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back to my channel if you guys are previously here, and hope you guys stay tuned. Hopefully I do more videos. I know this car might get more stuff, but we'll see how it is. We'll see how it is after track day. No, that's like, that can be later, but fluids. But car is done. I am happy. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And tell me what I can do, what I can improve on my videos, because I'm new to this and I don't do this often. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out.